I follow what happens tomorrow, I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, liking, sharing this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. And please do not skip the ads. I would appreciate if you guys were to watch the ads. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really appreciate all the love and the support. Also, do not forget to like this video if you like it, comment down below, and share it with your friends and your family. So today is Sunday. I didn't go to church. Yesterday I did my hair. You've already seen that. Yesterday I took out my hair, washed my hair. So this is how my hair is now. I'm just doing this hairstyle just to retain moisture in my hair, so that's the only reason. But yeah, I just wanted to start this vlog, and we are in Vlogtober still. We're still pushing for Vlogtober. I actually like the idea of Vlogtober because it actually forces me, kind of like pushes me to be out there, like have fun, live life, not go through life, if you know what I mean. But I do like the idea of Vlogtober. It actually is like pushing me to be out there, like have fun, enjoy life. I'm still young, as much as it's making me spend so much money. The money, I don't like spending money. I don't. But you can't have the other one without, you can't have one without the other one. So I guess it's just something I have to do. But honestly, the spending of money, that's not my favorite part. But I've been talking for like almost over 2 minutes. So as you saw, we just had breakfast, me and husband, and tomorrow it is work. I'm gonna get up and cook. I'm gonna take a nap now. Husband is sleeping already. I'm gonna take a nap. After taking the nap, I'll wake up, cook food that's gonna last us until Friday. Friday we have a staycation. I'm so excited. We have a staycation in this piece of vlog that I'm gonna do. The thing is, I don't know, I'll probably just vlog for like today and vlog Friday, and then vlog the rest of the staycation, because there's nothing really that I'm gonna do during the week. It's just me coming home after work, and yeah, but that's what we're gonna do. And we have a please let me know also, do you like my new intro video? I just thought I should just rebrand since I'm monetized. But I thought I should do that. But yeah, please let me know in the comments, what do you think of my new intro? I just wanted something simple, something that was gonna be like straightforward, not too long, because I tend to have my videos long. So I'm trying to learn or unlearn that way of me vlogging, and just have like small short vlogs, especially since it's Vlogtober. You don't want to be like bombarding your audience, your community with so much content that is really doesn't have too much context in it, if you get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, share this video, and please not skip the ads. Do not skip those ads. But yeah, I'm so excited. We have a staycation, me and baby. We didn't do anything for my birthday, so I was like, let's do a staycation, which I've already like booked a while back, because I'm also gonna be working. I'm excited for that, because you guys are gonna meet a special person. I'm hoping in this vlog too, she's gonna be okay with me vlogging, because the collaboration or the sit down video, the video we're gonna do is gonna be in this what do you call it, in this vlog, in this week's vlog. So I'm excited for that. But yeah,
Much later.
Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So,
and this is what I'm gonna have. Hubby had 7 colors. I'm gonna have umpokoko because he promised to do it for me. He does it better than me, but he didn't do it. So I had to do what I had to do. I mean, it came out right. I mean, oh, super duper duper happy. Dating black. Can't tell me nothing. I think I burned myself. It's itchy.
The next day.
Good morning, loves. Today is, I think, the 9th. Let's see, yes, it's the 9th of October, 2023. I just got ready. I am ready to leave. I am forever waiting for my husband. It's either to open the gate or I've already opened the gate. I'm just waiting for him to exit the house. Anyway, there he comes. I am going to work, so I'm dropping myself off and then husband comes back and do what he has to do. So let's exit. There he is opening the door for us. Oh, need a service, oh baby girl, kesana, because we are twin. Baby Blue. Hey loves. So I was actually we are vela kesana. Yes, we are vela. Hi loves. So I was actually supposed to be now like packing, getting ready for a staycation. The whole point of the staycation, as much as it was about to celebrate my birthday and just have a different atmosphere and feel, it was more for like work purposes. I was gonna do a collaboration with someone, and unfortunately life happens and life happened, so I had to cancel our staycation. So we're no longer going to the staycation. I just want to come and clear that up, because I know I had said that we were gonna go out on a staycation, but we're not. Instead, we'll rather do something different. I had to cancel, but yeah, probably the next vlog, I don't know if I should close this here and then start all over again. I don't know. I think I don't have enough footage though. But I just wanted to say that today is Thursday, the 12th of October, and yeah, tomorrow is the 13th on Friday. And yeah, I just wanted to come here and just give you guys the heads up and just update you on that. So see you on Saturday, because I think Saturday me and husband are gonna like have something going on, since we're no longer going to, the staycation. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, share this video with your friends and your family, and please do not skip those ads.
One eternity later.
Maybe you only want what you can't have.
Good afternoon, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm busy doing laundry, but once I am done with laundry, I'm about to do my face. Today is Saturday, the 14th of October, and we are going to we're going out. Me and my husband, we're just going out for like a brunch, lunch, late lunch, whatever, early a dinner. So that's what we're gonna do. I just stepped out of the shower. I am about to do my makeup. I am ready to do my makeup and fix my hair, and then we are gonna go. And yeah, I just wanted to update you that and just open today's vlog. And tomorrow you will be getting this vlog. Tomorrow is the 15th of October, Sunday, so you will be getting this vlog tomorrow. So yeah, let me do my face. I'm gonna do my face off camera quickly and go hang the clothes, and then we're gonna leave. Hi loves. So me and hubby, well, hubby is busy dressing up, finishing. He says he's hungry. I'm done. I did my makeup, I did my hair, and now we are about to leave. So I'm excited for that. Let's go. We are going to Tasha's. Remember, I didn't celebrate my birthday, and the person that I was gonna do the collab with cancelled, so we were like, let's cancel, because we were gonna go out in Sandton anyways, because we were gonna be around the Sandton area. So we were like, it's fine, let's still go out, just cancel the accommodation because we don't really need it now. So that's where we're going. We're going to Eastgate or Bedford View. I don't know if it's the same thing, but you will see when we get there.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. What should
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, bawal lang bro. May bawal?
Spaghetti. So wabenza indlela engaka lokho kunyamanyama.
It looks so good. Okay, thank you. It looks so good, baby. I think yours is better than mine. Delicious, baby. You gonna wish it? Thank you. Ooh, that's a lot. Too good.
Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh in loose. You don't wanna go slow. But sure, we both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a up what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
That is 300 rand. That is 300 rand already. So what do you mean now?
Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the
Baby, no matter.
roses.
Take a stand, sense, right?
Smell all the roses
This is
with
great.
me. Just give you a Stay with me.
So
I
much
know
better.
you're hiding behind a pretty
Let's
face.
check
I
it
see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we can't jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you.
It's in your baby.
Turn left.
Hi loves, so we are now we're done at Touches. We are going to Eastgate Mall. We are going to get we're looking for something for our shower, so we're looking for that, and yeah, that's where we're going now.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it, solve it, solve it for me. And let like we could do it all over again, all over again. Don't you?
So we're now going home. We are done in Eastgate Mall, and I will see you guys. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. We are now done in Eastgate. We are leaving. We had a good day. It was a good day to just like explore and, you know, such a lovely day. Cannot complain at all.
Much later.
You made me feel like we could do. Oh, you made me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Send it like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam, jam.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the
So my loves, we are back home. We had a beautiful day, and we had such an amazing day at Tasha's. It was very short though, because we were there for like maybe less than 2 hours, because I think we arrived there around 10 past, quarter past. So we were not there for a long time, but we had such a good time. And then after we were done there, we went to Eastgate, because we went to Eastgate, Mr. Price home. We wanted a new shower curtain, and yeah, we got the shower curtain. My husband is busy putting it on. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching until this far. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and I shall see you in my next video.
means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces